As the final days of December unfold, a dire warning looms over the United States. Meteorologists are tracking a massive Arctic blast set to sweep across the nation in the coming days, bringing extreme cold, heavy snow, and dangerous ice. Beginning January 1st, a displaced polar vortex is expected to unleash a wave of record-breaking cold, gripping regions from the Midwest to the Deep South. Between January 5th and January 15th, the core of this Arctic outbreak will bring its harshest impacts, with life-threatening conditions expected for millions. In Chicago, forecasters are warning of sub-zero temperatures and significant snowfall. Meanwhile, southern states like Georgia and even parts of Florida could see